If you are thinking about using InVideo AI, one of the biggest mistakes you can make is choosing the wrong pricing plan for your needs. Because honestly, most people either overpay for features they never use or they pick the cheapest option and run out of credits almost immediately. So in this video, I'm going to break down the InVideo AI pricing plans in the simplest way possible so you can decide which one is actually worth it for you. We are going to look at the pricing, the credits, what each plan includes, who each plan is best for, and whether you should start with the cheaper plans or go bigger right away. And if you want the exact setup, bonuses, and resources I use for ranking AI videos and making money with content creation, I linked everything in the description below so you can follow along step by step. So let's jump straight into the pricing page. Right now, InVideo AI has 4 main plans: the Plus plan, the Max plan, the Generative plan, and the Elite plan. Now, the first thing you are going to notice is that the pricing changes depending on whether you pay monthly or yearly. If you pay monthly, the pricing currently starts at around $20 per month for the Plus plan. The Max plan is around $100 per month. The Generative plan is around $200 per month. And the Elite plan is around $1,000 per month. Now, if you switch to annual billing, you save money on every plan. The Plus plan drops to around $17 monthly billed yearly. The Max plan drops to around $85 monthly billed yearly. The Generative plan drops to around $170 monthly billed yearly. And the Elite plan drops to around $900 monthly billed yearly. So unless you already know you're going to use InVideo AI long term, I would personally recommend starting monthly first. Test the platform, understand how many credits you actually use, then switch to yearly later if it makes sense. Now let's talk about what these plans actually include, because this is where people usually get confused. The Plus plan gives you 75 credits per month. This is mainly designed for beginners or people testing AI video creation. You also get access to all AI models, AI workflows, AI video trends, 4 AI avatars and voice clones, 20 gigabytes of storage, and unlimited exports without watermarks. Honestly, for most beginners, this is probably enough to start with, especially if you are creating YouTube shorts, faceless videos, affiliate marketing content, social media clips, or testing AI workflows. Now, the Max plan jumps up to 390 credits per month. You also get 16 AI avatars and voice clones, 100 gigabytes of storage, and faster concurrency compared to the Plus plan. This is probably the best option for creators uploading content consistently every week, especially if you are running multiple channels or creating longer videos regularly. Then we move into the Generative plan. This gives you 800 credits monthly. You also get 40 AI avatars and voice clones, 2 terabytes of storage, and much higher concurrency. This plan is really built for serious daily creators or businesses producing large amounts of AI content consistently. And finally, there is the Elite plan. This one gives you 4,250 credits monthly, 200 AI avatars and voice clones, 10 terabytes of storage, and the highest concurrency level. Honestly, this is more for agencies, large content teams, or power users creating huge amounts of AI generated content every single month. Most people watching this video probably do not need the Elite plan. Now, one really important thing to understand is credits, because this is what determines how much content you can actually generate. For example, the Plus plan says 75 credits is enough for around 300 Nano Banana Pro generations or 600 Nano Banana 2 generations. As you move up the plans, you simply get more generation capacity and more scaling power. So if you are only making a few videos weekly, you probably do not need hundreds or thousands of credits right away. Now let me quickly show you a simple workflow example. Inside InVideo AI, you simply enter a prompt like, create a faceless YouTube video about affiliate marketing using AI tools. The platform then generates the script, scenes, visuals, subtitles, voiceover, music, and editing automatically. And honestly, this is why tools like InVideo AI are exploding right now. You do not need editing experience, you do not need expensive software, and you can create content dramatically faster than traditional editing. Now, of course, AI is not magic. You still need good prompts, good ideas, and consistency if you actually want views and results. And one common mistake beginners make is assuming the biggest plan automatically means better videos. That is not true. Better content strategy matters more than buying the most expensive plan. Now, if you decide to sign up through my link below, I am also giving away my full 12,000 bonus package completely free. This bonus package is designed to help you actually rank and monetize the videos you create with InVideo AI. Inside, you're going to get access to the 24-hour ranking system, which shows you how to rank videos on YouTube and Google faster. You are also getting List Prodigy, which teaches you how to build an email list using AI. Then you get AI Content Mastery, where you learn how to create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, guides, and mini courses. You are also getting over 90 make money online courses covering SEO, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, video marketing, and digital business. And on top of that, I am including a 10-day InVideo AI training course that walks you through setup, workflows, and content creation step by step. The training gets delivered daily through email, so make sure you check your inbox and spam folder after signing up. So overall, which InVideo AI plan should you choose? If you are a beginner, start with Plus. If you are uploading consistently every week, Max is probably the sweet spot. If you are running a business or publishing daily content at scale, then Generative makes much more sense. And unless you are running an agency or a serious production operation, you probably do not need Elite. So if you want to test InVideo AI and grab the full 12K bonus package, check out the links in the description below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you watch the next video because I am going to show you how to create better AI videos using InVideo AI for YouTube and affiliate marketing.